Is the auto lock setting grayed out on your iPhone and you can't change it? Don't worry, in this video I'll show how you can fix auto lock grayed out issue on iPhone. So let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Disable low power mode. Open the settings app, tap battery, toggle off low power mode. After that, check if auto lock works as expected. Solution 2. Turn off guided access. Open settings, tap accessibility, scroll down, and tap guided access. Toggle it off. Solution 3. Update your iPhone. Open settings, tap general, tap software update. If an update is available, download and install it. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings, tap general, scroll down, and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, then choose reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. This will reset system settings but won't erase your data. So guys, that's how you fix auto lock grayed out issue on iPhone. If the video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to hit the like button. Still facing the issue? Leave a comment below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.